This feature scans the selected channel plans, detects the active signals within that channel plan, identifies them and creates a new channel plan which includes only those active channels. This is very useful if you need to run a data logger and you do not want the meter to unnecessarily run across all the empty channels in a channel plan such as the CCIR. But at the same time, you do not want to create the channel yourself manually. In that case, the channel plan exploration is a vital shortcut. First of all, we need to select the channel plan over which we will launch the exploration process. For the sake of simplicity, we will use a channel plan including only 6 channels, terrestrial channel test. We will access the exploration tool by pressing F3 and selecting Explore Channel Plan. This tool will automatically start exploring the selected channel plan. On the top right part of the screen, we can see how many channels have been identified so far. We can skip the exploration of a specific channel pressing F2 Skip and cancel the exploration process pressing F1 Cancel. Once the exploration process is completed, we can mark or unmark any of the identified channels. This will specify which exact channels will be included in the new channel plan we will create by pressing F1 Save.